He is no stranger to leadership. Senator John Azuta-Mbata, an indigenous Ikwere man of Eneta town in Ikwere local government area, who are of the ethnic Igbo nationality in Rivers State, South Nigeria, is expected to bring his decades of governance experience to the table. Born in January 1960, he holds a master's degree in public administration from the University of Ibadan. Azuta-Mbata's academic and professional grounding gives him the required exposure to lead Ohanaeze Ndigbo towards unity and progress. During his time as a two-time senator for Rivers East Senatorial District in Rivers State, Azuta-Mbata served on key Senate committees, including Defense, Works and Housing, Women Affairs, Finance and Appropriation, and Local and Foreign Debts.
We are very, very pleased with the emergence of John Mbata. And those of us who are much older and have been there for a long time, we lend our support, give him all the guidance, and pray for God's wisdom for him, because he's coming in at a time his job is already cut out for him.
Beyond politics, he is actively involved in his family's construction business in Port Harcourt, where he currently resides. But the former lawmaker's political career has not been without controversy. In April 2005, Azuta-Mbata faced allegations of involvement in a 55 million naira budget bribe scam. But after a lengthy legal battle, he was fully acquitted by the Court of Appeal in Abuja on June 1, 2010. He also played a key role in August 2000 when he temporarily presided over the Senate session that removed Senator Chuba Okadibo as Senate President, following a report implicating Okadibo and his deputy, Senator Haruna Abubakar, both now deceased of misconduct.
We know you, we know your pedigrees, and we also know that both your leadership experience and your intellectual pedigree precede you.
The transition to his leadership has not been without rough roads, but John Azuta-Mbata remains committed to his task of positioning Ohanaeze Ndigbo as a powerful voice for the Igbo people, both nationally and globally.
I believe that under the guidance of our governors, our elders, Ndimobi, we will do the needful and make you proud.
His election at the 13th President General is seen as a significant shift for Ohanaeze Ndigbo, spotlighting the contributions of the South Igbo community to the broader ethnic Ndigbo agenda. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.